How to connect to a Power BI Shared Dataset from the Power BI Desktop client. Prerequisites for connecting to a shared dataset include having a Power BI Shared Dataset in the Power BI Online service, having the Power BI Desktop client installed, and being connected to the Cisco AnyConnect Admin VPN. In the Power BI Desktop client, select Get Data, and then select Power BI Dataset. In the Data Hub, double-click on the dataset you would like to bring in. Give it a moment to load, and you'll notice that your data appears on the right-hand side. That's it, you successfully connected to a shared dataset in the Power BI Desktop client.